Look all of you, linear differential equation. Here dy by dx plus py equal to 0, and this format is called the linear differential equation. Here p and q are the function of x or constant. Look at how we can solve this type equation method, you can understand. So for this, first we will find here p, and then we find here q. Okay, p is your coefficient of y, and q is your the right hand side, whatever you have, the function of x or x, this or constant mean this is the q. So p and q, and then we find the integrating factor if we sought is form of integrating factor, and this we have a formula e power integral p dx. Okay, whatever p you will get here, you will put here and you will solve. You will find the integral, and okay, you will solve this, you get suppose capital fx, and look here, if you have e power fx log fx, e power log fx, then you get fx, this you keep in mind. So sometime you get e power log, so the e power and log is cancelled and you get fx only. So this is the integrating factor, and in exam you can get a question of only for the integrating factor also. Find the integrating factor of this linear equation. So, and look here, what is the solution will be here, and for solution we have a formula that y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor and dx. This is the solution, means this integral you have to solve. What we get, the integrating factor, here we get fx, so you can write here fx, this, and q look here, whatever you have q you write here, and here you write here fx and dx. This you do the integral, you get here gx. What you get, gx, then you write here gx, okay, and plus c. So this is our required solution will be maximum this fy also you can find here. This is also our solution. So this method we will do to solve the linear equation. Look at this question, we have to solve dy by dx plus 3y equal to e power minus 2x. Look here, if we compare by dy by dx plus py equal to q, here p is what is 3, p is 3, and q is e power minus 2x. First we can write it is linear differential equation. Now we find integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power p dx. Okay, and here p is 3, p is what is 3 dx, and this integral will be e power 3x. So now here we write the solution. Solution is y into integrating factor and equal to integral q into integrating factor and dx. So integrating factor we get e power 3x, so you can write as it is y into e power 3x. Q is here e power minus 2x, and integrating factor is e power 3x dx. This we can solve, so we get e power y into e power 3x equal to integral e power x and dx. Okay, e power x integral is what is e power x integral is e power x and plus c, and if we divide by e power 3x, we get here c upon e power 3x divided by e power 3x. So we get here the solution is y equal to e power minus 2x plus c e power minus 3x. This is our required solution. It is required solution. All of you understand this? Look here one question we have to solve, dy by dx plus sec x y equal to 10x. And look here, if we compare by dy by dx plus py equal to q, so p equal to we get here sec x, and q equal to we get here 10x, and we can write it is linear differential equation. Okay, now first we find integrating factor. This is e power p dx. Okay, and e power p is here sec x dx, and sec x dx we have the formula log sec x plus 10x. So the e power log means cancel, and we get here sec x plus 10x. This is our integrating factor. Now we write the solution, and here the solution is y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor and dx. So y integrating factor is here, we get sec x plus 10x, so we can write as it is, and q is here 10x, and integrating factor is here sec x plus 10x, okay, and dx. So we write here sec y and into sec x plus 10x as it is, and this we open the bracket, we get here sec x 10x and plus 10 square x and dx, and 10 square x, look at this, we write as it is, equal to this, we write sec x plus 10x and sec x into 10x, and plus this, we write here sec square x minus 1. And now we write the integral. So first this part is as it is, equal to integral of sec x 10x is sec x, and integral of sec square x is 10x, integral of 1 is x, and plus c we can write, and this is our answer. It is required answer. All of you understand? Look at this question, x divided by dx plus 2y equal to x square log x. This question we have to do, and we first of all we write in the format divided by dx plus py equal to q. So here only divided by dx, so here is x, so first of all divide by x. So we get here divided by dx plus 2 upon x, y equal to, here we divide by x, so we get here x log x. Now it is a linear differential equation, and here we compare, look here, we compare divided by dx, p is here, p equal to 2 upon x, and q equal to x log x. Now we find first integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power p dx, and e power integral p is here 2 upon x and dx. 2 upon x we can write 2 log x, okay, and 2 we transfer, so we get here e power log x square, and this we can write x square. So integrating factor we get x square. Now here solution is we can write y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor and dx, okay. Y integrating factor we have here x square, okay, equal to we can write here integral q is here x log x, okay, and integrating factor we get x square dx. So we can write here y into x square equal to this, x into x square is x cube, and into log x and dx, okay. Now this is by first, this is first and second, we will use here the integration by parts. So there we formula Euler, according to Euler log x is first and this is second. So we write here this first is as it is, integral of the second, and minus differential of first, this is log x, and integral of x cube dx and whole dx, okay. So this will be as log x, and here x cube will different, integral is x 4 by 4, okay, and here we get the log x differential is 1 upon x, and x cube integral is x 4 by 4 I write outside, 1 upon 4 outside, and dx, this 1x is here cancel, so we get here this x power 4 upon 4 log x minus 1 upon 4, and here is x cube and dx. So we will do this x 4 by 4 log x minus 1 upon 4 and x power 4 upon 4 plus c. This is y x power 2. Divide by x square, so we get here y equal to x is by x square, we divide means x square by 4 and log x minus 1 upon 16, this is x square plus c x power minus 2. This is a required solution. It is required solution. All of understand this? Here question is x divided by dx plus y minus x plus x into y cot x equal to 0. Look here, this we compare by dy by dx plus py equal to q. First of all, we have to convert this equation in this format. For that, we want q, and q we know that this is the coefficient of x or constant. So coefficient of x or constant, we have only this x. So x we transfer to right hand side. We get here x dy by dx plus this y we will take common from these two, so we get 1 plus cot x and y. Okay, x here is x, y and y we take common from here, so 1 plus x cot x, y is outside, and this x we transfer to right hand side, we get x, and this we divide by x. Okay, because here we want 1. So dy by dx equal to plus 1 divided by x, we get 1 upon x. This we divide by x, we get here cot x, and y equal to 1. And this is a linear differential equation. It is linear differential equation. Now we compare with the linear differential equation. We get here p equal to 1 upon x plus cot x. Okay, and q equal to, we get here 1. Now look here, first of all we find integrating factor. So integrating factor equal to e power integral p dx. So e power integral is here 1 upon x plus cot x. Okay, and 1 upon x integral is, we know here, log x, and integral of cot x we know here log sin x. Okay, and this formula log m plus log n, we can write here log m into n, so log x into sin x, and this will be x sin x. So here integrating factor we know x sin x. Now our solution will be y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor and dx. Now y integrating factor is here x sin x equal to, here q is again we can write 1, and integrating factor is x sin x and dx. Now by integration by parts we will do, this is first and this is second. So we get here this as it is, and we get here first is as it is integral of sin x and dx minus integral differential of x and integral of sin x dx and whole dx we know. This is x integral of sin x is minus cos x, and minus here, and differential of x is 1. Differential of x is 1. Integral of sin x is minus cos x, minus plus cos x and dx. Now again this integral of cos x, this as it is we write integral of cos x is your sin x. Okay, and plus c. So we get here y x sin x, and this equal to, now what we do, we will divide by x sin x, divide by x sin x. So this divide by x sin x, we get y, and minus x cos x divided by x sin x plus sin x also divided by x sin x, and c also divided by x sin x. So look here what we get here, y equal to, this is x cancel, and we get here cot x, and here we get 1 upon x, and this we get c upon x sin x, and it is this is it is required solution. All of understand this? This is the answer.